Hello, Katie again from the Long Island Explorium. So I've just been having a look through all the data collected by all citizen scientists on Long Island during April. And interestingly, it looks as though Team Explorium have been the only people collecting data from right along the North Shore this month. So well done, team. It's really important that as citizen scientists we try and cover as wide an area and take as many measurements as we can. We know this, but it's also going to be particularly interesting for the clouds data that we've recorded. So as anyone who's ever lived beside the sea knows, atmospheric conditions over the ocean can often vary quite wildly from conditions over the land. And from our vantage point right at the seaside in Port Jeff, it makes for some pretty interesting data. But of course you don't need to be based in Port Jeff to join our team. As I say, let's take as many measurements as possible. So, scientists have been studying clouds for years, using both data from satellites and from citizen scientists. I've set my app to notify me when a satellite is due to pass over. Then the data I collect and the data the satellite collects can be used together. You can do the same by going into your app and clicking there. So why bother? Clouds do a lot more than just produce rain. They can have a big effect on our Earth's climate. So energy from the sun is reflected, scattered and absorbed by clouds, but different kinds of clouds do this in very different ways, so it can have a completely different effect. Low, puffy clouds, like this kind of cumulus thing, these reflect a lot of the energy from the sun back into space, and so the temperature on Earth goes down. As we all know, we've all been outside on a hot sunny day, a cloud has gone in front of the sun, and it cools down. But wispy high clouds, like cirrus, for example, actually have the opposite effect. So energy being emitted from the warm Earth can be stopped from escaping by high wispy clouds like this, so actually the atmosphere warms up. But these kind of clouds are particularly tricky to spot from satellite images, which is where you come in. So keep taking measurements, and in fact I need to go because I think a satellite is passing over right now, so it's time for me to go and collect some data. I will see you soon.